And I am back out of the house. Work is done. And guess what? Would you believe it? Buddy hit me up, said, hey, come out to the track, man. You gotta come chill. It's a place I went the other day, and I made a little edit of it. It's my most recent video that I made. That's where I'm headed. Let's go. But here we are. We made it. We're here for the boys. Ooh, someone's already out on the bike. Yeah. This is what it's all about right here. Having a good old time. Seeing who's out here. Got the puppy dog. Nice. It's not it's only 54 degrees right now. It's not too warm, but warm enough. Got a little smudge on the lens there. Let me go ahead and yes, much better. I'm greeted with friends already. Look at just get here and he's already out on the track putting it down. What are you doing, bud? You ain't riding?
Yeah.
You are riding?
Maybe.
Well, let me get some of you.
Okay.
Go see what Doty's got going on. Oh, I love this place. My last video I made was out here too, and this is it right here. Pretty much just bring it back out here to play with the camera a little bit more, get it rocking, and get it dialed to make it look good for you guys. Man, this is sick. Oh, I love this place. Hey, if you got any ideas, you think something would look sweet, or something you want to see them do, then let me know. But here's a little roller section, pretty sweet. Let's come through here and get this boy off the face of this lip. Doty for the win, but got me with the rock. First shot. That'd be sick in slow motion. Go rockin', yeah.
What's this?
What's happening?
Give me some nuts.
So I was thinking about the message of the day and what it was supposed to be, and I think today the message of the day is going to be support your boys. You gotta support the boys. They're out here riding hard, having fun, doing what they love to do, just to stay happy, stay clean, stay healthy, active. It's a good message for everybody. So I think that the message today will be support your boys, get out there, back them up. It's what you do.
sensor everywhere.